8:53 p.m. We made it to Paris. We're sitting in the baggage claim area trying to figure out what hotel we're going to stay at because we didn't book it before we got on the plane. But I'm glad we didn't because the flight that we was going to catch tomorrow has been canceled. So now we get to do globalistic things like come up with all kind of crazy stuff. But yeah, so that's the update. Say hello to our subscribers. Y'all know what he's doing. I don't think I even need to say.
12 seconds later.
We have chosen our hotel, so we're gonna head there now. I could have sworn this was Hardee's. Going to the shuttle. Alright guys, we in Paris. Missed the shuttle again. Anthony got some stuff to say.
It stinks.
It stinks in Paris?
Yes, it smells like coal. And this is ghetto as This is done on the Porches level curve, bro. What the Excuse me,
And not to mention, 3 women walked out the ladies' room and didn't wash their hands. I don't think we want to be here no more, y'all. We leaving tomorrow. Only because we booked this hotel.
Shuttle hotels.
Yeah, it's the other side, like I was saying.
They're leaving.
And this place so confusing. We gotta use. Alright.
You got the instant part of the curve, bro.
Oh, he's still here cooking? Oh, the guy straight ahead is cooking some dinner. I feel like it tastes good. But what are you doing, my man? What are you cooking? It smells kind of good, though. You smell it? It got some kind of yum in there.
Bruh.
I'm not gonna hold you. It smells kind of good. Yeah, it doesn't smell good, actually. Not on the other side of the box where the smoke is. It stinks. And how the did he get a pot in a box? Why is the box not on fire? Boy, no way, no way. Right, I'm kind of jealous. I'm jealous. My stove didn't even have my like that. Guys, our last couple of times in Paris, we got here and was delighted. This time around, it's different. Right, and they didn't even like specify. So we missed the last shuttle. The next one's in 15 minutes. Pray for us, y'all. See y'all on the other side. I don't know if we bougie, but what happened? It didn't look like this last time we came here. So at least we got a ride, y'all. The good thing is the driver has to confirm that you actually are staying in a hotel, so they'll just let any and everybody in there. So that's good. Time to put our luggage in. When you spin it.
Oh, there we go. Okay.
Let's see if you get a gift.
Yes,
Okay.
that's great. So
All
let's
right.
see something different. So we have
Okay.
2 glasses of champagne at the bar.
Nice.
Some champagne at the bar.
Thank you.
Cool.
Well, Anthony's doing the honors because, as we all know, Paris had a big bed bug scare. So Anthony's just checking. But they upgraded us to a suite, which is nice. I'm not going to say I'm 100% comfortable, but can't do anything about it. But just be precautious. So, yeah. What's the verdict?
I think it's okay. I don't see anything.
All right. He's saying he don't see anything. So we'll keep you guys updated on the status of Paris right now. If you're considering coming here but a little freaked out, But yeah, so this is the suite they upgraded us to. Sorry I didn't get to see the cute bed. I'm about to show you guys the bathroom. Shower, standard European shower. And they also gave us complimentary mini bar things. So we got Oreos and Pringles. And then as far as the fridge is concerned, we got some, look like sparkling water, some juice, Pepsi, and some kind of alcohol beverages that we won't be indulging in. 2 of my favorite robes, as per usual. So yeah, we kind of fixed the bed up a little bit after checking for bed bugs. But so far the coast seems clear. Cross his fingers. And here's our little other side where like a suite. So we're gonna order some food and go to bed. Good night. Good morning. Excuse my gross looking French breakfast. But we're rushing. Our jet's gonna be leaving in less than an hour, so we have to hurry up and eat. We're only 10 minutes away. So yeah, but I just want to check in. Good morning. This is what we're doing now. So we made it to our terminal. Right now we're just waiting, I guess, to board. It's a cute little spot. I'll show you guys in a second. But yeah, that's what's going on so far. Okay guys, reporting to you live from the bathroom. So I came up here just to like fix my pin. But anyway, it's like a whole shower here. It's really nice. They're working on the bathroom downstairs, so they told me to come upstairs, and that's why I showed you guys out there. It is so cute. So the terminal is really small. We don't have any direction as to what we're supposed to do next. Excuse me, they're doing construction. So I'm reporting to you live from one of the ladies' rooms, but it also has a shower in it, which I thought was really cute. I think insert the clip where I showed you guys already. But yeah, I came up here to kind of like fix one of my pins and just kind of like check my face. And it's cute. So we gotta go. Oh, well, actually, Anthony just texted me hello. He probably wants to come upstairs, so I'm gonna go get him. But yeah, so far so good. Come along with us on our first private jet experience. Update. So our jet will not be going out for another possibly 4 hours because of the weather, which I'm not complaining about, because what we're not going to do is get on a low jet and the weather's not permitted. So we're gonna hang around for a little while just to kind of see if we can still make our connection. But if not, then we're gonna have to leave here, go to the main airport, Charles de Gaulle, that we was at last night, and then depart from there back to the States. So we are globalistic, we have endurance, we are made for this. We'll update you guys as soon as we get an update. Ciao. This model plane is actually the plane or the jet that we're supposed to be taking. That's actually right there. Literally the same thing. Same plane. 1, 2. So yeah, we're still waiting and trying to decide what's the best thing to do. If this ends up keeping us another day out here in Europe, or if we should just head back to the States today. We're unsure. But for now, I'm admiring the jets. So we're gonna see what happens. But we're truly leaving it in God's hands because I honestly don't know what to do. Yep. So the beautiful lady brought me some tea. And if you know me, well, I'm assuming you guys don't. But one thing about me, I love tea, and I really love tea sets. Like, this is so cute. So I'm about to have some tea. There's your boy. Sitting as close to the jet as possible. He's manifesting. So yeah, so we're here at the top. Just waiting. I'm gonna have my tea that the beautiful lady brought for me. And we'll see what happens. This porcelain, so cute.
Slot right now at 6 o'clock.
Okay.
Oh,
So the
shucks.
company tried to change it to Rotterdam. Rotterdam, the weather is much better.
Okay.
We are informed our passengers over there, so of course we had to pick up some passengers in Amsterdam. It doesn't work today.
Right.
And Rotterdam is approximately 20 minutes driving time.
Okay. Oh, okay.
It's quite near to Amsterdam.
Right, yeah.
So I just wait for an answer, and if they agree that we can going out of Rotterdam, we can go immediately. So
Okay, immediately. That's good.
be patient.
Yeah.
Yes, we are. Thank you so
We'll try
much.
to fix it as soon as we can.
Of course.
Amazing, great. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you so much.
Few moments later.
Oh, no, we can load. I think your luggage is downstairs.
It is.
This is right there.
We're getting ready to go. We must have ride our first jet, y'all. This is where we're gonna plant our pines. I think I'm just gonna sit on the couch. Sounds good. Oh, thank you, madame.
My pleasure.
Thank you so much.
Because weather conditions in Amsterdam are quite bad and they're going down, so it's not quite good to go in there.
Got it.
Flight time is calculated with 45 minutes. I expect a smooth flight. I hope it will be a smooth flight. I can't guarantee it, but I do my very best.
No
My
problem.
lovely Stephanie, she will take care of you. This aircraft is too small for me.
Oh, he's struggling too.
Yeah.
If you have any questions, any recommendations, please let us know.
Will do.
So everything is loaded and hope we can go immediately. So please enjoy your flight.
Bon voyage.
Bon voyage.
Guys, so we made it on the jet. Out of nowhere, we just got the news that we can come on. So fly with us along to Rotterdam, which is a different place in Amsterdam.
Maybe the iPad, yeah. Thank you.
And I'll take the Vogue, or L. Thank you. Wow, you got an iPad to play with? That's pretty dope. I think to look at the L is pretty appropriate. I said I think looking at L with this beautiful model on it is so appropriate. Okay. Okay, we'll do. We'll let you know. Thank you so much. Bon voyage. Hey guys, so I'm gonna be taking off on the couch because I've never taken off on the couch while on the plane before. I've done many seats. I don't even know how to do this. That's how you know I'm a rookie.
You guys good? Good.
Yeah, we're good. Babe, hold this.
Player, bro.
Just hold it just like that.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
too, man.
Shukran. He's on a break. I don't know how to get it on. Maybe I can try this one. Anyway, I'm gonna sit on the couch. I'm going back to my seat. The couch ain't working. I'll just take pictures there later. sea over there. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. Oh wow. Look at this bathroom. So I guess this is the oh, what a fancy toilet. Hold up. I thought this was a chair. I don't know if you guys can hear me well, but here is the bathroom. This is the toilet. Hey guys, so I'm just watching. The flight is not that long, so I'm just trying to take it all in. Guys, this chef's kiss. I don't think I'll ever fly commercial again. It's like, this is beautiful. Whatever it takes to obtain this type of stuff in life, I need to do it. So I'm gonna need you guys to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, everything, so that we can do more trips like this. Because this is the lifestyle. YouTube sponsor me. But yeah, guys, this is amazing. Let me show you the whole jet. Let's go to the back. We about to land, y'all. Mercy.
There you go.
So she helped me out. I figured it out.
Awesome.
I just tightened this one. Oh, yes, my M&M's. Take my drink so I can drink water. Couch landing. Alright guys, so we're landing. Open cockpit is crazy. Like, I could never do nothing like this. On a little plane. Or on a commercial plane rather, because this is real. We're landing in Amsterdam. See you guys on the ground. Mercy. Okay, bye bye. Thank you. Oh, you bring for us. Wow, thank you.
How was the weather over there?
About the same.
About yeah, well it was good, but they say it's about a freezing. You guys are freezing here, yeah?
Okay, the night is freezing, yeah.
Wow. It's been a pleasure. My first private jet.
From here to the, you're going by, it's about 45 minutes.
It's the lounge. Our flight is over. We're sitting down. He went his way? Alright, we're in the lounge. Waiting for our Uber taxi to come get us.